Hey everyone, hope you're all doing great today. In this demo, I'll guide you through the process of integrating with a payment gateway using hosted checkout for a seamless and secure payment experience. In this integration, you create a checkout session where the payment gateway hosts a payment page user interface that gathers payment information from the customer. Here, you can explore the supported payment methods, transaction types, and key benefits of the integration. To get started, navigate to the integration steps hyperlink on the same page or from the left panel. On this integration, you create a checkout session where the user interface that gathers payment information from the customer. Step 1. Establish a checkout session. Step 2. Implement the hosted payment page. Start by navigating to the Establish a Checkout Session section, where you'll find the Initiate Checkout example. A default standard sample for hosted checkout is already provided, serving as a reference for seamless integration. Step 1. To proceed, simply copy the provided JSON payload and open Postman to start the setup process. Now, let's set up Postman. First, create a new request and set the request type to post. Next, paste the copied JSON payload into the body section, making sure it's in raw JSON format. Next, grab the API URL from the same page and paste it into Postman as the request endpoint. Once that's done, hit send to initiate the request. Just a quick note, you'll need API credentials from your payment gateway provider to proceed and API reference page link at the top right of the same page. Step 2. Navigate to the Implementing the Hosted Payment Page section. Here, you'll find an example of the HTML code for using the modal mode, also known as the embedded page. This component is designed to seamlessly integrate within your website's existing checkout page. Next, copy the sample HTML script provided by the payment gateway. Open a text editor like Notepad++ and paste the script into a new file. At this stage, we haven't made any changes to the code. Everything is already set up for you: the script, the buttons, and the overall structure. The page is fully designed and ready to go, without requiring any modifications from your end just yet. Now, look for the session ID placeholder within the script. You'll need to replace this with the actual session ID that we just generated in Postman a few moments ago. Once you've made this update, save the file with a .html extension. Now, when a customer ready to pay for that order and clicks the Pay button, this HTML file will be rendered in a web browser, loading the checkout page in real time. This section, which is configurable based on your needs. Let's go back to the guide, click the back button, and search for the test card details. I'll copy the card number, expiration date, and CSC or CVV for an approved transaction response. This ensures that our test card validation follows the guidelines. Here, the customer will enter their credit card, debit card, or wallet details. Now, I'll paste the test card details into the payment fields on the checkout page and expiry date and security code. We can skip the optional billing details for now and scroll down. Once everything is set, I'll click the Pay button to process the transaction. Once you click the Pay button, an emulator page for OTP verification will appear in the test environment. This simulates a real-time payment journey, where the issuer's page requires the customer to complete the challenge flow. At this step, simply enter any value from the provided list and submit the form. If the payment is successful, the order confirmation page will be displayed. This page, provided by the payment gateway, will include key transaction details such as order information, transaction status, final amount, order ID, and a complete order summary. And that's it. You've successfully completed the hosted checkout integration process. Thank you, and have a nice day.